How to redeem rewards in Amex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rewards from this application. First of all, open it. Now here in your home page, slowly scroll down. Here you can see different sections available. So you must be in this reward section. So as you can see in my context, there are 2 rewards available. So here simply tap on one. Now here on the bottom, you can see redeem now button. So here are the criterias that you need to fulfill. So simply tap on redeem now. Now tap on go. So this will take you to a website. So this is the place where you must enter all your card details and link your bank with it. Here you'll be able to log in with your account and directly purchase different things, and according to the criteria you'll be able to redeem the rewards. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.